Shakespeare said most people are living lives of quiet desperation. And what that simply means is that they can't make the changes that you want to make. I certainly know that because that was me for many years, unable to make the changes that I wanted to make until I recognized and became aware of energy. Energy in the terms of understanding what Tesla said, that there are ways to understand everything that we're going through, everything. Our thoughts, our emotions, our feelings, how the world works, the situations that we're in, especially now. And you can only really get the missing picture, the missing links in being energetically aware. So in my work, I've identified all that is energy, which is everything we come in contact, and that it has certain codes. It has a power, it has a purpose, it has an intelligence, it has a direction, and it gives off information. And it's vital, if you want to live the best life you can live, to be energetically aware, to be able to read these energies, because they will tip you off to what's about to happen. You know, the relationship, you're thinking about getting a relationship with someone. Wouldn't it be good to know what direction that relationship is going to go, up or down, before you get involved? How about an investment that you make? Or if you're an employer, how about hiring an employee or starting a business? Can you imagine people who just went into business in January of this year? Man, that was the wrong time to do it. What if you'd been able to know in advance or had an inkling? And this is what energy does. I'm not talking about anything out there. I'm talking about that energy gives clues. You know, relationships give clues, investments, people. And they give clues if you're energetically aware and you can see this hidden dimension. If you can't see it, or you're not aware of it and you don't know the way it works, then good luck. You'll keep doing what you're doing, and things will keep going the way they're going. So energy awareness training is a profound, a real breakthrough in learning of how our world works. And I've been able to change my life and the lives of so many other people around the world in the teachings that I do, and the trainings and the coaching, etc. So what I do since the pandemic happened is I offer my work every Wednesday night and Sunday mornings. I offer, to share with you a chunk of energy awareness training. Now, I can't teach the whole training, in one video. Although I did give away one of my courses here last month, and I taught 12 nights straight of energy awareness training level 1 for people to understand that and get the value of it absolutely free. And I charge money. That's my livelihood. I have a video course, and I teach group courses and one-on-one, but I offer that for free just to be of service. And I think now more than ever, we have to be of service, and we have to be here for each other. So that's what I want to do, and that's what I'm going to do tonight here. And that's a little bit about the training. If you're interested in finding out more about energy awareness training, you can contact me on Messenger. You can go to my website, energyawarennesstraining.com. For me, it's all about being able to get this workout, the ability to teach people to be energetically aware. And if you're energetically aware, you can have a control over your life that you've never had before, and that you can keep yourself in relative happiness and away from sorrow. That's the whole point of this training. And most of us don't know how to do that. It's kind of like a luck of the draw. Some days are up, some days are down, some months are good, some months are bad, some years are up, etc. When you're energetically aware and trained, you can keep the energy moving around you in what I call a high or a healthy vibration, no matter what's happening, no matter what's taking place out in the world or around you. Okay, it's called imperturbability, the ability to not let physical things happening affect your inner energy, so you can keep your energy bulletproof. Let's have some fun tonight. Our topic for tonight is recognizing what's happening to us and being able to transform the anxiety, the stress, the worry, the tension that all of these things are bringing us, and to be able to stay in a high vibration, happy place. Now, let me clarify that for a minute. In this world that we live in, there's a principle of the law of opposites, or the law of duality. And it simply means that whatever we're being, doing, or having, there's an opposite polarity effect to it. So if there's happiness, there's sadness. If there's good, there's bad. If there's up, there's down. If there's right, there's wrong. If there's night, there's day. If there's male, there's female. If it goes in, it goes out, etc. So in recognizing that, the tenets of energy awareness training is understanding that we're dealing with multiple energies. We come in contact with multiple energies every day. Some of these energies are energies that lift us up, that are healthy for us, that take us into a place of happiness, of joy, of expansion, of abundance, of blessing, all the good stuff we want. And there's energies that we come in contact with that we don't want. They're energies of anxiety, of stress, of worry, of doubt, of fear. These energies are constantly interacting with us. We don't have to go to them. They come to us. These energies and frequencies, and they show up as all kinds of different things. Can show up as our thoughts, can show up as our emotions. It can show up as activities out in the street, can show up as pandemics, can show up as all these things that we're currently experiencing now. And now more than ever, I believe is the most important time to become energetically aware. Because what's happening in the planet now is the planet is stressing us. These energies are attacking us. They are messing with us, and they always have been, but we weren't aware of it to this degree. Ever since we were born, we always have to guard against threats, whether it's growing up as a kid, your health, or bullies, or accidents, God forbid, all those things, and growing up into social pressure, into falling in love, broken hearts, having to deal with going out on your own, having to deal with finances, having to deal with all the stuff that in the world. Just living this life is stressful. Now, if you're energetically aware, you can deal with that.